Welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing TripleS's 2026 Season's Greetings. I finally got mine in the mail, so I'm super excited. This is my third year in a row getting TripleS's Season's Greetings. So let's just go ahead and see what we have. So their theme this year was Shot of Love, like Cupid. So this is the packaging. Looks like this. I will say it also came with this heart-shaped stress ball. So it looks like that. So let's see if I can get this opened. So here we go. So we got a pack of Polaroids, cards, and then we have, I'll just take everything out first. And calendar. So first thing, we have a poster. So it has all the members and then the four on the back. Then we have this, it says Top Secret Sensitive Cupid Operator Manual. So we have all of them. So it's broken up into the Love Letter Division team and then the Heart Launcher Division team. They're so pretty. I love the little heart frame, like you're peeking through. Cute. She always looks good in hats. Oh, and I just saw her, is it Lee Mujin show? Oh, it's about time she was on that. Tone, Yunji. Cute. Oh, I wonder if those are the stress balls. A random apple. Those are really pretty. Look at Lynn. Jubin. Oh, Xion. Her makeup is really pretty in this photo. Oh, look at Sullen. Soa. And Jian. So these must be the groupings that they did. Cute. Then we have the calendar, which I use this calendar at home. It sits on top of my bookshelf. So it's gonna be kind of hard to show, but they usually have a member on this side and a member on this side for each month. So I'll try and flip it this way. There you go. We're gonna open up the postcards next. So these are in the groups of 6. And their messages on the back. I wish they had changed Yunji's dress for this to like match the other ones. Everyone else is like white and black, but cute. Look at those sticky hearts on their faces. And then that's the last postcard. All right, we're gonna open up the Polaroids next. So these are Soyeon. Oh, their signature at the bottom, those are cute. Oh, I really like her signature. Look at her. All right. And then lastly, we'll see who I got. So I have Cheon, Yeonji, Ju, Yuyeon, Hayeon, and Yubin. So that was TripleS's 2026 Season's Greetings. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more unboxings.